Hello, so this application called Supplier Portal will allow your suppliers to get the access of their RFQs in the portal, and you can also access all the RFQs and vendors and suppliers from the backend as well. So let's see how this works. So as soon as you download the application, the module will be able to see a new app over here. If I go here, you have to first go to configurations and settings. Here we have a few settings. So the first setting is adding the messages. So you can add a message for submission, for acceptance, and for rejection. So once you add these messages will be displayed to your supplier in their portal access. The other settings we have is that RFQ acceptance. Do you want to accept the RFQ based on the minimum price or the minimum shipping time? You can choose according to your requirement. Once you have done that, you can go to suppliers and then you can add all your suppliers. So let's say this is one of our supplier. To give the portal access to the supplier, you have to first go to action and grant them the portal access. You can grant the access from here and then they will be able to get the access to the portal and they'll be able to see their RFQs as well. Now you can also send a re-invite if you have already granted them the access, or you can revoke the access as well. So this is in default. Once you have granted the access, let's see how it works. So I will close this. All your suppliers will be visible under suppliers and the registered suppliers will be visible under registered suppliers. Under purchase, you'll be able to see all the RFQs and all the purchase order. Here you can see all the purchase orders. Under supplier quotations, you'll be able to see the RFQs that are sent, that are in progress, and that are cancelled. So if I go to supplier RFQ, let's create a new one and see how this works. So I will add a few products here. So let's say I have added this product. I will add the quantity. I will add the price here as well. I will add the estimated date and the closing date, the product price list, and the vendor. So now you only have to add all these details. Once you add these details, you save this and you can click on progress. Once you click on progress, this particular RFQ will be visible to your vendor, the particular vendor, from their portal access. So let's go to that vendor's account. So here you can see I'm here. I'll go to my account and under here, supplier RFQ, I'll be able to see my RFQ. So if I click on this, I'll be able to see my RFQ and I can update the price from here. So if I click on update price, I here have the option to update the prices. So let me update the price and I will add a note as well and I will update this. Once it's updated, you can see the message over here. Thank you for your submission. This is the message that you have added from your backend. And all the proposed details will be visible underneath to your window. Now let's go back to our backend and let's go to our suppliers. So here you can see right now this is in progress, and as soon as the price or the quote is updated, it will be visible under the vendor quote. Here you can see the vendor quote, the updated price, the quote delivery date, and the supplier note as well. If you are satisfied with this, you can mark this as done or you can cancel this as well. If it's cancelled, an email will be sent. If it's not cancelled and marked as done, an email will be sent as well. So let's say if I make this as done, I will select the vendor. As soon as I select the vendor, the other details are automatically added and I mark this as done. As soon as I mark this as done, an email will be sent to the particular vendor stating that it has been accepted. So if I go back to the particular vendor account, and here you can see if I open this particular RFQ, the message has been added over here that your RFQ has been accepted. And if I go back and let's say I go to one of the emails, so if I open the email account of the vendor, you can see the message here as well that your RFQ has been accepted and you can check inside your portal. So this is how the application works. All the suppliers that are in progress will be visible here. The cancelled one will be visible over here. If you have any questions, please leave your question in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.